Welcome back. Konkan Railway trains running up and down on Margao-Roha route are far behind schedule. Out of 15 trains running from Margao to Roha, 12 are running late. Some are 3 to 4 hours late, while few are almost half a day late. Out of 8 trains running from Roha to Margao, 6 are running late. This includes express trains and Ganpati Special too. Sources claim that such a situation is likely to prevail for the next 2 days.
Konkan Railway services has been hit several times in recent months. Just few days back, 7 wagons of a goods train derailed at Karanjadi railway station in Ratnagiri. And in the first week of May, at least 18 passengers were killed and more than 30 injured after a Sawantwadi Diva passenger train got derailed on Konkan Railway route. Now, the Konkan Railway services are hit as almost 90% of trains running from Madgaon to Roha and from Roha to Madgaon are behind their scheduled timings. These are the trains which are running late, with exception of few. Mangala Express running late by 4 hours 54 minutes. SWV-DR Summer Special and RN-BSR Ganpati Special running as per schedule. RN-DDR passenger running late by 9 hours 31 minutes. Diva passenger running late by 2 hours 57 minutes. RN-LTT Ganpati Special running as per schedule. Netravadi Express 5 hours 13 minutes. Jan Shatabdi 1 hour 13 minutes. Nagar Koil Gandhidham NCG by 2 hours 16 minutes. MAO BTTS Ganpati Special by 8 hours 6 minutes. KRMI CSTM Ganpati Special running late by 4 hours 52 minutes. Goa Sampark Kranti running late by 2 hours 4 minutes. Tirunelveli Express by 10 hours 27 minutes. Mandovi Express CSTM running late by 7 hours 9 minutes. Ernakulam Hazrat Nizamuddin running late by 3 hours 40 minutes. Now the 8 trains which are running from Roha to Madgaon with exception of few. Netravati Express running as per schedule. CSTM KRMI Shatabdi running as per schedule. Mangala Express late by 3 hours 37 minutes. Jan Shatabdi running late by 5 hours 20 minutes. Dadar Sawantwadi Express by 8 hours 21 minutes. BTTS MOA Ganpati Special running late by 5 hours 45 minutes. CSTM MOA Ganpati Special running late by 6 hours 6 minutes. Rajdhani Express running late by 2 hours 7 minutes. Sources from Konkan Railway attribute these delays to the recent derailments of trains on several occasions. They have also informed that similar situation is likely to prevail for next 2 days. Till then, passengers travelling to their natives for Ganpati can just hope to make it on time for Savat. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Sports Authority of Goa has begun its process to de-recognize the Goa Cricket Association. The SAG has already sent a show cause notice to the GCA questioning why the association should not be de-recognized. The clamour within the GCA is growing for resignation of current president and accused in the ticket gate scam Baru Fadke. The meeting called on Wednesday to discuss the matter was suddenly postponed to 3rd September.
The notice sent by the SAG has made the intentions of the government clear. The show cause notice has raised 2 important issues. Paintsy Commission report accepted by the government recommended that entire managing committee alleged of Ticketgate should not participate in the management of the association. Balu Fatke is one of the main accused and he is the current president of GCA. GCA has failed to clear outstanding dues of the SAG towards hiring of Fatorda Stadium for 2 ODIs in 1997 and 2001. The notice has also threatened derecognition of GCA and has given 7 days time to the association to reply on the issue raised by the SAG. The notice reads as follows. Why SAG should not initiate proceedings for recovery of its dues. Why SAG should not derecognize the GCA. Why SAG should not take up the issue with the BCCI. GCA had called an urgent meeting on Wednesday to discuss the matter. But the meet was suddenly postponed and Balu Fatke decided to meet the higher-ups in the BCCI. He reached Mumbai on Wednesday afternoon.
Actually, meeting was there today at around 4 o'clock. But yesterday evening, late evening, around after 5 o'clock, the president sent a mail that the meeting is cancelled because he has to attend some meeting in BCCI in Mumbai today.
The meeting has been rescheduled on 3rd September. Interestingly, GCA needs to reply to the SAG notice also by 3rd September. Some of the members within the association will demand that the meeting be held before 3rd. Secondly, the informal meeting of some of the members on Wednesday also discussed the consequences of derecognition.
Everybody will put his efforts to see that our association does not get de-recognized, because गव्हर्मेंटाकडे काम करतलो हे सगळे आमचे जे प्रोजेक्ट आमी करतले, ग्राउंड बांदतले, भुरग्यांक शिकयतले खेळपाक आनी तांकां मार्क मेळटले फुडें फॉर एज्युकेशन पर्पज, जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटाचें रिकॉग्निशन आसप इज इम्पॉर्टंट. बिकॉज अदरवायज हे भुरगे आतां स्टेट लेवलचेर खेळटा तांकां 15 मार्क पडटा, 15 न्ही, so they are getting those marks which is very important for them. Tomorrow they may not be getting this mark, because if we are de-recognized, then government will consider that तुमकां न्ही कशें दिवतले आमी मार्क. Then over a period of time the students base आमची जी आसा, जी आमी, that is our future, ती हळू कमी जायत वतली.
Sources say the members are worried as they would not get any support from the government when the new stadium comes up. But all of them believe that any move from the president is unlikely before 3rd September. With bureau inputs, Sushant Pol for Prudent.
Dempo, Salgaocar and Videocon's joint venture in the IPL-style football league has been named as F.C Goa. The franchisee model football league called the Indian Super League or ISL will be played from October to December on league-cum-knockout format. FC Goa will open their campaign against Chennai on 13th October at Fatora. FC Goa has cost its promoters around $4 million so far. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is happy with the commercialization of football. The ISL champions stand to gain 8 crore rupees in prize money.
The Goan franchise of ISL was unveiled in the presence of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, co-owners Srinivas Dempo, Dattaraj Salgaocar and Aniruddh Dhoot. In his welcome address, Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas expressed confidence that ISL will prove to be as popular as IPL or Pro Kabaddi League.
Football is the largest followed sport in the world, and why not in India? I think a time is going to come when football, if I'm not exaggerating, is going to overtake cricket. But we need quality, we need commitment of the promoters to take this to a higher level. And I think we have the right partners in Reliance IMG, Star Sports, and all the franchise owners.
Parrikar hailed the commercialization of football. His interpretation of FC Goa logo was motivating for everybody connected to the $1 million football outfit.
The shield stands for an excellent defense. The gaur or a wild bull stands for attack, unrestricted attack. The blue color stands, according to me, for a depth of planning. Orange is a very important part. It stands for sacrifice for the betterment of the team by the individual. Full concept of commercialization of football is an important in today's world, because passion is one thing. We do have passion, but unless there is a good money in it, probably the talent will not be attracted.
Dattaraj Salgaocar gave details about the expenditure incurred in putting up FC Goa.
So these 7 players who have, the foreign players who come in, they range from $35,000 to about, the highest we have paid is $80,000 for the French player. The marquee coach comes in between 200 to 750. The marquee player is again $750,000. So, and then the franchise fee is 12 crores. So, overall we target, we have budgeted around $4 million would be the loss initially, and could go up to $6 million.
Youthful actor Varun Dhawan will be the face of FC Goa. The 27-year-old Mumbaikar gave a trailer of what he brings to the table during the stylish launch party. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gawas from Miramar.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.